Want a plan that actually works? Let me show you in 3 simple actionable steps. Step 1. Define the true target. Stop writing vague goals like grow on YouTube or get fit. The top 1% set precise targets with deadlines. Not grow on YouTube, but upload 2 videos a week for 30 days, not get fit, but lose 3 kilograms by August. First step 2. Know your X and Y. Most people plan only for when things go right. Winners plan for when things go wrong. Use this formula. If X obstacle happens, then I'll do Y action. Example, if I crave a cheat meal, I'll grab a low-calorie snack instead. Step 3. Anchor and activate willpower. Fade systems win. Attach your plan to daily anchors like brushing your teeth or making coffee. Then use reminders, sticky notes, calendar pings, or an accountability partner. So your plan isn't just written, it's lived. Do this and your goals stop being dreams. They become inevitabilities.